This is the Tom Collins cocktail.
What is the crack? My name's the Rusty Bartender. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, we are making every single cocktail in Steve the Bartender's cocktail book. And today's cocktail is the Tom Collins. The Tom Collins was first seen in Jerry Thomas's The Bartender's Guide in 1876. Other versions of the Tom Collins date back further, but these were most likely made using Dutch Genever rather than gin. The drink is named after John Collins, a waiter in London who was famous for his gin punch. The Tom Collins traditionally uses an Old Tom style gin, but if you don't have that, any Juniper Forward London Dry style gin will do. Today I'm using Drumshanbo Gunpowder Irish Gin. In a cocktail shaker, add 2 ounces of gin, half an ounce of simple syrup, 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. Add ice to your shaker. Shake for 10 to 12 seconds. Like and subscribe. Please and thank you. Then add 2 ounces of soda water to your shaker. Then strain over some fresh ice. Garnish with a lemon twist and cherry. There you go, folks, the famous Tom Collins. Let's give this a little sip, see what is going on in the glass. Absolutely refreshing. A great spring, summer drink. You can't beat a Tom Collins. You've probably seen it in the movies. Meet the Fockers. They were loving it. Very sippable, very easy to drink. Get the lemon juice, the sugar, the nice botanicals from the gin. Great alternative to a gin and tonic. Give this one a go, folks. The Tom Collins. Cheers.